Birds comic. Bomb hiccups. You're right, Red. The pigs are building a new base of attack. This is the perfect place to keep an eye on them. Also, the perfect place for Bomb to quench his thirst. So, thirsty. Take it easy on that water. You have to go into action. We better go to the swing slot and try to take that building down before it gets too solid. Wait for me. Gah! No! Blow up! No more bombs. Look, it's not here. Explosions back at the birdies. Interesting. What could have happened? Sorry, fellas. So that's what it feels like. No wonder the pigs rig out when they see you coming. But if the hiccups make you blast, that means it'll happen. Again? My bad, fellas. Are we already under attack? No, the bomb bird has hiccups. And it triggers his explosive biology. Boom. I don't get it. How does he blow up but not blow up? All the food he eats is recombined by his body to form the most volatile chemical compounds. I hypothesize that his body is porous and conveys shockwaves slowly, so the energy release doesn't affect him at all, but is passed on to the blast radius around him. Chirp, 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 chirp. Or it's because of magic. Ah, yes, magic, of course. Hold your breath, Bomb. I'm trying. It only delays the hiccups and it'll. What's up? Are we under attack? Sort of. Bomb can't control his blasts. He has hiccups. Bomb, do you know any songs? To stop hiccups, you have to sing and sing loud. Really? Well, I do have a few original composers. My true love is the sky. I long to fly. I don't know why, I'm just that kind of guy. Take me. There are some more verses. I'd rather hear the explosion. Maybe for our next defense, you could sing to the pigs. Just stay away from me, gang. I'm not safe to be around. No way, B. We're going to help you kick this. I really appreciate it, but I need to be alone. You're all such great. Boo! Yikes! That was quite a scare. Sorry, Bommy. I heard what was happening, so I thought I'd do what always works for me. Scared hiccups away. Wow, thanks, though. I really feel not. Wondered when Jim, Jake and Jay would hear and investigate. This is a job for the kids. We're great at this. Get ready to be cured, Uncle Bomb. Where are you tickles? Stand upside down and bounce up and down. What is this supposed to do? You're got to get dizzy, going to do stuff. Sorry, kids. Wait, who of all the birds knows the most about cures and remedies? Matilda will solve this. Just breathe in the calming vapors of this herbal tea. Ah, hey, I think it's working. I feel everything inside starting to set. So, guess that didn't work. Ha 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 ha. So glad we could entertain you. That does it. I've had it. If I'm just gonna detonate randomly, I'm gonna do it around those pigs. Normally I'd say I would wait until I've worked up a plan, but this actually sounds pretty good to me. Go, Bomb. What are they doing now? I can't tell. There's a crazy, angry bird blocking my view. Yarg! Officers first! To the bomb shelter. Okay, piggies, you want to naff at my condition? Then you come up nice and close. Do it. Wow. Hey, I guess trying to make it happen stopped my hiccups. Wow. I've got to tell everybody about this. Hey guys, I'm cured. Did we die? I think we're safe. Hick. The end. Question point.